If you're running into the ESR migration issue in Firefox, don't worry, this is usually a simple fix. In this video, I'll show you 2 easy ways to get Firefox working again, and one of them should solve the problem for most users. If this helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, the easiest thing to try is updating Firefox. A lot of migration issues happen when the browser is out of date, so before doing anything more advanced, make sure you're on the latest version. To do that, open Firefox and look at the top right corner of the browser. Click the menu icon, which looks like 3 horizontal lines. From the menu, click Help, then click About Firefox. Firefox will automatically check for updates. If an update is available, it will download and install it for you. If it's already up to date, you'll see a message confirming that. After the update finishes, restart Firefox and check whether the ESR migration issue is gone. In many cases, that alone is enough to fix the problem. If updating Firefox does not solve it, the next method is to reinstall the browser. This is a good option if the program files are damaged or the migration issue is caused by a broken installation. To do this, click the Windows search bar at the bottom of your screen and type Control Panel. Open Control Panel, then find Firefox in the list of installed programs. Click on Firefox, then choose Uninstall. Follow the prompts to remove Firefox from your computer. Once it is fully uninstalled, go back and download the latest version of Firefox from the official website. Install it again, then open the browser and see if the issue has been resolved. A fresh install can clear out corrupted files and reset anything that may have caused the ESR migration problem in the first place. So to quickly recap, the first fix is to update Firefox through the Help and About Firefox menu, and the second fix is to uninstall and reinstall Firefox from Control Panel if needed. One of these steps should usually get you back on track. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you want help with any other Firefox issues. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.